Hi there. So today we're going to go over these two problems in chemistry that seem really confusing on the outset, but they're actually really, really simple. So if 0.168 molarity of Fe2SO43 is prepared, what is the molarity of the Fe ion? So the thing is that if it's 0.168 moles per liter, because that's what molarity means, of the whole thing of Fe2SO4 3, then that means there's going to be 0.168 moles per liter of iron and 0.168 moles per liter of the sulfate. So everything, if you break it apart into its individual ions, then it's still going to be 0.168 moles per liter. Now the only thing you have to pay attention to is how many ions of iron do you have. So here's your iron, and here is the number of irons you have. So since we have 2, we're going to take that 0.168 moles per liter and we're going to multiply it by the 2 because there's 2 moles of iron. So that's going to give us 0.336. So it's going to be 0.336 moles per liter, which is also the same thing as 0.336 molarity of the iron atom. Now same thing down here on the second question. If 0.118 molarity, which is the same thing as 0.118 moles per liter of TiCl4 is prepared, what is the molarity of the Cl ion, of the chlorine ion? Well, it doesn't matter if we break this apart into, here's Ti over here and Cl over here, it's still going to be, either one of them is going to have 0.118 moles per liter in it, on both of them. They'll each have 0.118 moles per liter. So we're going to take the 0.118 moles per liter and we're going to multiply it by the 4 chlorines that we have. So times 4, and that is going to give us 0.472 moles per liter, or 0.472 molarity of the chlorine ion.